This is the sound of progress. Thousands of moving parts working in perfect sync to power our world. But progress is fragile. One surge, one mechanical failure, one missed vibration, and the heart of the operation stops. Silence. In industry, silence isn't golden, it's expensive. Every second of downtime costs more than just money. It costs momentum. Every industrial motor that fails without warning costs more than money. Unplanned breakdowns, emergency crews, production lines dead in their tracks, workers scrambling with paper logs and analog gauges, guessing at what went wrong. Equipment that could have been saved, lost. Hours, days, entire shifts, gone. What if a motor could tell you it was failing weeks before it did? Introducing an advanced condition monitoring system, powered by the TMS320F28335 DSP. Real-time FFT analysis captures vibration signatures no human hand could feel. Machine learning predicts remaining useful life, down to the day. Bearing wear detected, technician alerted, motor protected before failure ever arrives. The result? 90% less unplanned downtime, 40% lower maintenance costs. Equipment lives 25% longer. Workers are safer, factories run smarter, less waste, more productivity. Innovation that works for the people who depend on it. Novatech, built for the machines that keep the world moving.